So this is another advantage of using VRV system compared to centralized system. As you can see on the left hand side picture here, if we are using, if you are installing our cooling tower or chiller system, we need of course a crane because it is quite and very heavy. Uh, because the lift cannot fit with the cooling tower and the chiller. But compared to the VRV system, we can easily use pallet jack, and we can use lift to uplift of our outdoor unit to be put in maybe for rooftop or maybe in any location that we want. So usually all model for outdoor unit for VRV system from 5 to 48 horsepower can easily bring and fit into the lift. So we can also easy for floor by floor installation or up to the designer or our engineer where we want to put the outdoor unit. So of course this will be reduce a lot of installation work. Another example of Daikin VRV system that can fit into the elevator or lift system. They took about less than 10 hours to install the outdoor unit, and 3373 of outdoor unit easily fit and located into the rooftop of the building. The figure here shows a huge difference when we are install the central system and the VRV system. And of course, for the central system, we need the transportation and installation for the chiller, for the cooling tower, and NRA handling unit. So it is quite big task to transport, install all those equipment. So after that, we need to do the piping work, and then the duct work, and then some control work, and then commissioning. So basically, they said that it took about 280 days to install the centralized chill water system for 8,000 meters square of office building. So compared to the VRV system, of course, they still need the transportation and installation process for the outdoor unit and then the indoor unit. And then the piping work, of course, they are much more easy to handle compared to the piping work of centralized system, because the piping work of centralized system, they are installing the piping work for the chill water system. But for the piping work of VRV system, it is just a copper pipe, and then they have ready stock of branch when we want to multiple branch the pipe, and then some control work, and then the commissioning work. And it believed that when we installing the VRV system, it can cut into 50% of installation days, which is took about 140 days only, compared to the centralized system, which took about 280 days. The VRV system of wiring also is much more easy compared to the centralized system. So outdoor unit, they have one control system central control system, which can monitor and control all the indoor and outdoor unit. So it just connect to several wiring system into all the component of outdoor and indoor unit. So another advantage and why we are using the VRV system, of course, if you are located the outdoor unit into the rooftop, it is better appearances that are other than we are using the split unit system or other centralized system. So we can also put if we doesn't want to put our centralized doesn't want to put our outdoor unit at the rooftop, we can also set to put the outdoor unit floor by floor. So we limit it into one floor, one VRV system. So it's only need one area in the building or in every floor to make sure they can reject the heat. So if you are using a split unit system or vapor compression cycle unit here, for example, we need a lot of outdoor units. So in appearance and aesthetical value, we doesn't want to look the outdoor unit too many on our building. So as you can see, if you can see there are a lot of outdoor unit we can see in um, outside of the building, compared to if you are using on the VRV system. There is no outdoor unit we can see on the building, just we have to put it on the rooftop. So I include also the Mitsubishi Electric hybrid VRF, the animation of how we using the VRV system in video and animation. So thank you very much. See you guys soon.